informal cooking show. It's not be anything too important or like too special or anything. I'm not a good cook in any means. I can cook decently, but you know, hey, here we are. Welcome to another of many cooking show. Today's episode, I'm making something colloquially called Xien button or fish balls and all that stuff. But I'm gonna see if I can make it a little bit more fancy. Is probably the bad word for it, but like, you know, make it a little bit more not presentable in any means, but make it like a bit different than how usually it's made, because I don't have access to everything I do here. But you know, I'm gonna try and see where it goes, and you know, welcome aboard, gang. Alright, I'm gonna walk you through all the ingredients we'll be using today. We have fish tofu. I wish I could pretend to be like a fashion influencer like so much right now, but you know, not too hard to find, probably, hopefully. And then we got other type of fish balls. Fish balls! More fish balls. I have some garlic, some green onion, some lime, some corn, and some oyster mushroom. King oyster mushroom. I kind of want to make like a side dish, like a skewer almost. It's gonna be like a cucumber side dish, so you know, it's gonna be a heavy late night snack. Supposedly it helps with the flavor, so here we are. Alright, that's all the small prep I need to get done. I got the garlic and the green onions, the mushrooms, and also the cucumber, which I'm gonna make like a side salad. But now, yeah, let's get started with the kitchen. Fire heat. We have a foil oven top, which isn't the best for cooking, you know. It's a college dorm. You got what you got. I like to deglaze it with a little bit of like, I have here sweet beauty. It's not like poached, you know, and like a little bit of liquid. Or here cooking. All helps go a long way. Lots of things. Fry it up. I'm gonna add a little bit of everything. It's like creamy fruit from technically not doing anything new except just making like a seasoning alongside it. But it's like a snack that not flying around and doesn't require much effort at all. Super simple sauce. It's gonna be just called mắm tỏi back home, but decent amount of fish sauce. Some the favorite thing ever made on earth, Xien soup. sugar. It's gonna get like the sauce thickened up. I'm gonna just pick a nice looking one. A little bit of pepper. Okay, folks, that is for today. Thank you for watching, and once again, here is the. Not my face, not my face. I'm gonna put like the skewer-ish style meat, fish balls, and like there's an air fried mushroom. It's nothing much, but like I like it. It's like a comfort food.